Hello and welcome. Great viewers all over the world, wherever you're watching me from, I thank you so much for joining me on this episode. I appreciate you wherever you're connecting from. If you're joining me from any part of the world, I say thank you very much for your contribution to the channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much. And remember, in this channel, we do not talk against people, neither do we preach hate speech, but we are bringing information to your doorstep. There are so many information that will elude us because we are too busy or because of one thing or the other. I make research to get these videos to bring it to your doorstep. You watch the video. After watching, you can go to the comment section and put down your comments. It is for educational purpose. It is for us to get informed. It is not to demonize anybody or to talk down on anybody, but to set the record straight. Because the conventional media most times cannot do everything for us. They can't say it the way we want it. We come on social media, we share these videos, then we go to the comment section and we share our views. Feel free to say it the way you feel it. Nobody's going to attack you. Nobody's going to come against you. Just express yourself. That is what we are doing on this channel. And we'll continue to bring news and information, more especially news about Nigeria, Africa, and the world as well, in general. We'll bring it to your doorstep for you to know what is actually going on. If you stick to us, you will never be left behind. You will be updated and you will know what is going on. That is why we are here. Thank you so much for joining. Let us watch this video. Watch it patiently from beginning to the end. I will bet you will not regret your date. Let's watch.
Okay, PBC and Pidgin audience, this now the Federal High Court for Nigerian capital Abuja, where the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra will continue today for court here for Abuja. Lawyer Nnamdi Kanu don't confirm say this trial will continue. So we know say for 10th of November where the case supposed hold, the case no hold. They adjourn until the 19th of January for Kanu's trial to continue. But waiting with the see today, news break yesterday say the trial will continue today. The Nnamdi Kanu lawyer don't confirm the court said don't said. But if you see today, the usual security presence where they full for this court, usually during Nnamdi Kanu's trial, no day today. The Federal High Court day a bit free, no security presence. If you look where security been the day for the entrance to the court, security no day, no security beef up, security no day for strategic locations as than the day before. But waiting they happen today, be say we get confirmation say Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue today. Now the trial supposed to be on the 19th of January 2022, 19th and 20th of January 2022, but they shift the trial come today sake of say Nnamdi Kanu lawyers then been write to the court to demand say make them shift the trial come front. Nnamdi Kanu case supposed to be speedy trial, but sake of say the federal government, because of say on the 10th of November, in lawyers them been stage out waka from the court. Sake of say the DSS be no allow one of the lawyers where come from America today inside court. Because of that one, they adjourn the case. But today, they write to the court demanding, asking the court, may them give them, may them push the time from 19th to 20, from 19th and 20th of January, come today, and that's why the court they hold today. For court today, waiting go happen for court today be say, according to Nnamdi Kanu lawyer, then go file for bail application. The case where been day ground be say the lawyers been day court before. They ask the court say you no get jurisdiction to hear Nnamdi Kanu case. We know say the federal government be amend Nnamdi Kanu case to 7 count charges. So the lawyers been enter court say this court, the Federal High Court for Abuja here, be no get jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means say they no get power, authority to hear the matter, but because they do walkout, then stage walkouts for on the 10th of November, the court be adjourned the matter. So today we going to hear bail application for Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, so if you just watch us, this is not a BBC Pidgin live broadcast from inside the court. We did court 2, where Nnamdi Kanu lawyers them don't land. So we're going to talk to one of the lawyers to tell us exactly what we're going to expect from court today and what they would do for court today. Good morning, Oga lawyer, Aloy Ejimako. Basically, now don't come court this morning. Waiting go happen for court today. Waiting be the expectation for court today.
Yeah, as you can see, this is the Federal High Court venue for the planned argument of the bail application of Nnamdi Kanu, which is slated to take place this morning. These are counsel as well as kinsmen, also journalists at this courtroom, waiting patiently for Justice Binta Nyako to see so that the bail application can be argued. We are seeing close now is the counsel for the federal government, and far third is the counsel for Nnamdi Kanu. You can see a fine age of also waiting patiently, and close to him there is Barrister Aloy, also prepared and waiting to argue the matter concerning the bail application of Nnamdi Kanu. Everyone is waiting patient, and you can see behind are some kinsmen of Nnamdi Kanu in orange beret. Okay, now let me take you quickly to the back side where many persons are standing and also waiting patiently for the court to rise so as to listen to the argument for the bail application of Nnamdi Kanu. The court today is really unusual, as Nnamdi Kanu definitely will not be brought to the court, and this is why journalists, counsel all have access into the courtroom, which is different from the practice since he was arrested in Kenya and repatriated back to Nigeria. It is actually slated for January 21st, but this argument of his bail application seems to be an emergency, and unlike before, where his kinsmen are not allowed access to the courtroom, but this time around is different. Everyone is relaxed. Everyone has been allowed, including journalists, or waiting for Justice Binta Nyako to sit so as to hear the outcome of the bail application. And also, one cannot see for sure that the court, after listening to the bail application, will have the same. But all fingers are crossed, the environment is calm, the roads are not barricaded, we can't even see any security expert operating. The way it is, the way it was before Nnamdi Kanu actually took and was repatriated back to Nigeria. We hope all this will take place within a reasonable time. But as you can see again, this is the prosecution counsel that the government is going through what he needs to argue towards the application, while Maroc is a fine is also perusing some of the documents in his phone, and Barrister Aloy also he has to see how this document of the bail application will be effect. So we hope that you stay tuned to ITV as when we come your way. Yes, this is of course Joseph Calvary, your host for this live broadcast of Nnamdi Kanu bail application here the Federal High Court in Abuja. Stay tuned to ITV. Details of things shall be coming your way.
Done day by day, and other grounds upon which we informed the court to bring back the matter. So the matter was adjourned for hearing today. The court now brought the matter back to here for hearing today. And today the court granted an application. So by running through his diary, the court also demonstrated to us, not only us, to everybody in court, that from this moment to January, that Shadawari will not accommodate this case because the court, Federal High Court, the whole federation is going on vacation on 14th. But consequently, he granted this application adjourned to 18th of February for hearing of application challenging the competence of the Child and Judicial Court to hear the matter. Which, if the court hear it, that will be an end to this case. But however, the court proceeded upon our application to resolve those concerns we raised in our press conference a few weeks back about how he's being treated in the prison detention facility, how he's being tortured psychologically, how he's not being well cared for, and how he hasn't changed his clothes since he was abducted in Kenya on 26th of June 2021 and brought to Nigeria. So these are concerns we raised, and court granted all of them today, and consequently directed us that first of all, the SSS should endeavor to comply with our orders. And the court also assured us that if in the event they refuse to comply with any of the orders he made today, that we should come back to court, regardless of the fact that the court is going on vacation. They should allow his medical expert to see him. They should change his cell. They should also give him good food. They should also allow him to change his clothes. So many others court granted today to ensure that between now and the next adjourned date, he's being well cared for. So that is part of the takeaway, substantial fundamental takeaway we have from court today. So, and what we are assuring you people today is that we're not relenting. We are craving and seeking for your maximum support in the circumstance. Understanding, listen to our admonitions, and also believe that we are not leaving any stone unturned to ensure that he's released unconditionally. That's what I'm saying. So be assured that before the next adjourned date, he will regain his freedom. I can assure of that. Thank you so much. So thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. The God will guide and protect you. Thank you so much. So where is him now?
Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.
So this is the end of the court today, Biafrans. You all heard it from the horse's mouth. Our barrister Fine Jofo and Aloy Jimako, they are just leaving the court premises now. These are Biafrans who have come here in numbers to stand in solidarity to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As you can see, they are in their good numbers. Biafrans are in their good
the court. That stated that the kingdom.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something from what you have just watched in the video. Let us go to the comment section and put down our comments from what you have just watched. Let us try to make a sense out of every nonsense that we have seen and watched and heard. Let us make a sense out of it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you again next time. Remember blessed.